Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to private Wi-Fi address on your iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to open your settings on your iPhone. Then when you open settings, then you're going to tap out Wi-Fi. Once you tap that, then you're going to tap out this icon. That is where we can have the Wi-Fi settings for the connected network. Then you tap at it. You're going to scroll down a little bit, then you make sure this particular part is toggle on for the network you're connected to. Once you tap on it, you can see turning on will. So once you do that, it will temporarily disconnect your network. So by the time you are connected back to the Wi-Fi network, it means your Wi-Fi address is privatized. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.